So in the previous lesson, we showed that momentum is a vector, right? We showed that momentum is a vector. So, for example, if what does that mean? Wanna show what does that mean? So, for example, if you have a car, for example, a car moving to maybe to the east, right? To the east, with maybe with a velocity of for example of 2 meters per second, right? Maybe given that the car has a mass of maybe 2000 kg, and maybe so you are asked, maybe they are asked to, maybe the question they say calculate its momentum. So obviously what you're going to do, you're going to use your formula. P is equals to your mass times the velocity, knowing that your mass is 2000 kg multiplied by 2 meters per second, right? And then what you get, so obviously if that will give you the 4, probably 4,000, give you 4,000 kg meters per second, right? So that is your momentum. But because we know that momentum is a vector, so if you are dealing with a vector, after your calculation you have to specify direction, right? So you'll be say 4,000 kg, and you are told on your statement that a car moving to the east, right? So you have to specify here and at the end of your answer that to the east, right? Let me just write that. You have to specify that is moving to what? To the east, right? So because that is your direction, right? That tells us what? The direction. So you have to specify that, because why? It is a vector. So that's what you need to do, right? So you have to specify east, or you can just say east, or you can say maybe write it to the east, right? Yeah, the way you understand it. So we can write to the east or east, just write east, go to the east, specifying the direction, because it is a vector. So that's how you do it, right? You have to also include what? The direction, specify. So it's moving so the momentum is 400 kilometers per second to the east. So that's what we mean when we say it's a vector. If it was not a vector, you're just gonna write the answer alone. But now because it's a vector, you have to also include what? The direction. I hope you've learned that.